Hello, my dear students of first BCom Bangalore University. Um, Today I'm discussing about a short story, A Service of Love. The title of the short story is A Service of Love. It is written by O. Henry. O. Henry. Mm, yeah. So here is a photograph of O. Henry, a very popular short story writer of its time. He born in 1862 and died in 1910. His name is William Sidney Porter, but his pen name is O. Henry. His stories are marked by a keen eye for details because he gives a minute details which has so much value to understand the story. He deals vividly with the life of the city people in the lower strata of a society because he never discussed about the rich class people. He goes to the poor people, how they live, what are their struggles, the family problems in their life, and what is the outcome, towards whom he shows great sympathy and understanding. So, O. Henry, his work is noted for a blending of humor and pathos because the audience are deeply touched by the story. So ultimately, there are many stories. For example, The Gift of the Magi is a best story of O. Henry. If you get a time, they get a copy, just to read it. It's available in online. Okay, it's a wonderful story, and ultimately, it has a twist in the story. And what is the twist? It's a story of a couple, a husband and a wife. What happens ultimately? Just observe, just to read the story. Okay, there is a humor and also pathos, and for the ingenious twist of a surprise ending, that is speciality of O. Henry. Every story has its own special ending. He is regarded as one of the grand masters of the modern short story. An annual short story prize has been instituted in O. Henry's name in the United States of America. Right. So this is a brief introduction about O. Henry. When we go through the text, okay, the text is also available in the internet. Just search for it, just Google it, and you will get a copy. Just read it and enjoy as as a story, not as for this for syllabus. Okay, just enjoy what it sees. Okay, so here goes the details there. O. Henry, he was very famous for his witty narrations and twisted endings. His characters are always determined to solve problematic situations through ordinary wit and creativity. Okay, so there is a wit ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, and creativity, because normally we cannot think like them, the characters. Okay, this always leaves the readers in complete awe. How means here, there is a surprise. Okay, and here O. Henry is often categorized as a realist writer by many critics. Realist writer, because in his stories he has shown the reality. Okay, so not the glorification of anything at all. He simply talks about the common man, common woman, and common people living in a small houses and society in a society, and how they struggle to live their life to make an ends to the daily needs. Okay, realism is an artistic and a literary movement developed during the 19th century. Yes, literary movement, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯದ ಒಂದು ಚಳುವಳಿಯ ಹಾಗೆ ರಿಯಲಿಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಯಿತು. The story, it unfolds everyday concerns in the contemporary settings as it is a realism. The aim was to present the real image of all social classes in true manner, inclusive of all unpleasant aspects of life. Okay, because it's not a media nowadays. What is the media doing? No, we actually know in the time of corona, we know And what is happening? Media, it's always misleading people. Okay, so the reality is very important. Okay, yeah, here comes a service of love, a short story. This short story portrays the things that people do out of love, to get one another's love or to maintain a love. What normally people do, that's very important. We have seen there are so many things in the life we have done, and also we have seen people who are doing for love for each other, the sacrifice, the skills they have shown, and the creativity. And also we have seen the failures in love and family. But here, this story is very important in connection with the sacrifice and the love for each other. So that's the greatness of the story we can see here. So here comes the characters. Joe, he's a boy, a very young boy, who, and it is Delia. Okay, Delia love each other very much. So each of them really passionate about their respective forms of art and want to be successful in it. Okay, now comes a question: what is this respective forms of art? Okay, let me go. Their love for each other exceeds their love for art. So in life, the skills, the art is very important. Okay, every one of us, we are truly benefited with so many gifts in our life. Okay, that is art. We have to identify it, we have to, okay, nurture it, and struggle for it, and make a practice. Then you will get the perfect place in your life. Okay, each of them is really passionate about their respective forms of art, and want to be successful in it. So both of them, Joe and Della, they are the artist. Their love for each other exceeds their love for art, because their love is more important than what their art is there. Okay, yes. So Joe, the character, who is a painter. So this is not the real Joe. Just I took from Google, an imaginary one thing. Just he's a painter. So name, his complete name is Mr. Joe Larrabee. The full name, the surname. Okay. So Della. So she's an piano artist. Delia. Sorry, it's Delia. Her complete name is Miss Delia Carruthers. Okay, so these are the complete two names of the two important characters in the play. And she is a pianist. She plays a piano and she is learning. Both of them, they were learners. Joe, he is learning painting by the great master in the city, and daily also learning it from the great musical teacher. Okay, and Joe and Delia both were from working class. If you think of their background, Joe was came out of the post-war flats of Middle West, and he has his interest in sketches, pictorial art. Okay, so that's why he came here to learn his painting skills. And Delia, the female character in the short story, she is from Pine Tree Village in South. As she was living with her relatives, they come to know about her skill, and they were trying to escape from her. Okay, then she came to city to learn piano. Okay, so these two characters from different places of the world, the city, and both of them they met at an atelier. Okay, atelier means the place where different artists they meet and they discuss about art, music. Okay, they discuss about various things are there. Okay, in the textbook is there. They discuss about Charles Wagner, music, okay, etc., etc., about different art forms there. So these are the details about their background. They met uh, there. Okay. Yes. Both were working class, striving hard to maintain the flow of money. They were not rich. They were very poor, normal people. Okay, to meet the everyday needs, requirements. That's very important for them. Not like rich people. They cannot think about the share market and what's going on and how can I get a profit and etc. No, they leave. Okay, they were doing it for the sake of each other's art. Okay, because Joe is a painter, artist, and Delia is a musician, pianist. Okay, so each other side they love, they working for each other, and their struggles were similar to any human trying to earn a good fortune because they are the young people. They have great dreams in their life. They wanted to do so many things in life and to get so many things in life. And every young man think of the same as you people. So just think of your dreams. What's your dream? So generally, what we are now, we expect something better, the best in the future. Right, that's our dream. And the decisions which they made in their situation, that is an important word. The situation, okay, the situation which create people, which destroy people. Okay, so here were what any other human being would make, the adjustments, the alternatives, the convincing, comprehensive discussions what they are doing and also what they are doing now. Okay, so this shows everything. At the beginning, when we read the first line of the story, the narrator claims that it shall begin with the premise that, okay, premise means here, we can say it's a quote or a universal truth, everywhere it is true. No, just read. When one loves one's art, no service seems too hard. It is a precept, okay, it's a premise. The narrator gives this quote, and here we have the lovers, and both of them they are the artist, and what they are doing the service. Okay, just keep it to your mind this quotation. Then claims, the narrator he claims that they will then prove that the premise is wrong. Okay, try to understand what it says. When one loves one's art, okay, here there are two things. One boy or one girl loves another's art, no service seems too hard. Okay, to help them. Okay, we can serve anything, we can work anywhere. Okay, so it is not too hard. This is a premise. Okay, then claim that they will then prove that the premise is wrong. Okay, which they made wrong. Joe Larrabee, a painter, and Della Canudos is a pianist. Okay, as I repeat, they meet in an atelier. So, which means here the place where different artists, painter, singer, musicians, okay, everyone come there and then they discuss about different type of music, painting, arts, etc. Okay, and both of them they quickly fall in love. Okay, they fall in love, and suddenly they get married. They were the students, not the earning businessmen or working men. Okay, they were the students and they get married. Okay, so look at the situation. It's not easy to get in love and to get suddenly married without a future plan, and to handle a family after getting married. It's not quite easy. Okay, so then after getting married they set up home in a small flat. Okay, they started to live together and then they have a flat which is a small one. Okay, they had their savings. Okay, they got married, everything goes well until they run out of money. Okay, their pockets were full. Okay, to their condition, but ultimately when it runs out, so ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದ ಹಣ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬಂತು. Okay, Delia insists that she will begin to give music lessons. Okay, what she insists, she tell her husband that okay, so I earn money, I take music lessons, I teach as though she is a student. Okay, but to earn the money she wanted to teach lessons, music lessons to the children, and she will get money. This is her thought plan. And Joe, according to her plan, Joe can keep studying with his art teacher in the meantime while she is working. Then he can go to his class because she thinks that she is a music student. When she teaches the same lessons to other children, she will learn more. That is her point. And she loves her husband. That's why she thinks that he should go and learn from the teacher. Okay, without thinking about the money matters. Okay. Uh, then she was in search of students. Okay, she gave an advertisements everywhere. Okay, on the streets and shops everywhere. So one day she come home elated. Elated means happily, ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ, saying that she got a student. Okay, she announced that she got a student. So who is he or she? It is General A.B. Pinkney's daughter, Clementina. So the name of the student is the girl Clementina. So her father was a General A.B. Pinkney's. Okay, yes, such students, the girl who always wear white color dresses. Okay, so something very good. But do you think it's boring every day wearing the same white color dress? I don't think so, right? But Joe is somewhat put out by the fact that she is going to be earning money while he does not. Somehow a boy, when he thinks that his wife is earning and he's not, there is some, okay, we cannot say it's a ego. Okay, nowadays we have seen a families where husband and wife both are working, and if a wife get more salary than a husband, then it's a problem of ego. Okay, so here that's not a problem, they love each other, but he thinks that she's earning and I'm not. Something guilt which haunts his mind, but not very much, right? So she reminds him that when one loves one's art, no service seems too hard. Okay, when she loves that I'm a painter, she loves my paintings, then she is serving for me. It's not hard, it's not difficult for her. Okay, this is what he remembers. Okay, when he expressed his pain before his wife, she says, no, because I love your art, then don't think so. You still learn. Okay, I can go for work. No, okay. At the end of the week, she brings home her earnings, weekly payment. Okay, what she got? $35. So $35. That's the income for her ಫಾರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ವೀಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ $35ನ ಸಂಬಳನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಲು ಅವಳು. And Joe surprises by telling her that he has sold a sketch, okay, as a painter artist. So he had a sketch which was displayed in the showcase of a drugstore, which means your medical shop, with permission. Then somebody has came and liked his sketch and then purchased and taken a commission for another. Okay, which means the person who purchased it, he gave advance cash, okay, and informed that I want a painting, etc., something like that. And he put his earnings $18, okay, for his sketch and also for the next sketch. Okay, this is a 1 week of their life. We have seen what happened. Okay, so according to Delia, she is working and her husband, he is going for an art school learning painting. Okay, during the next week, Delia comes home with a bored hand. Okay, whenever things are going on flowing well, we don't think so. Okay, some hurdles were there in life, some ups and downs will be there. Okay, she came with a burned hand. Her hand was burnt. Okay, so we can see the pain in her face. Okay, when she comes, he announced that I have got money, but there is no such a great smile on her face. There is a pain we can see. So she has to tell something. What happened? What happened there? She cooked a story. What is cooking means here? Some imaginary things she thought to explain to her husband about her pupil spilling something hot on it. Okay, the story is there. Her pupil Clementina, she likes a rabbit, and then she needs something to for the rabbit, and then she was cooking, and that's a very hard. Suddenly that mm, okay, rabbit came, and all of a sudden uh, the boiling water spoil on her hand. This is what she could a story. Joe, however, figures out that Delia has not actually been teaching. Okay, when he has seen the wound, the burned hand, and it was actually bandaged. Okay, he comes to know, no, she's not going for teaching, and something else she is doing. How? Because he had a doubt by looking at the bandage cloth, the cotton, whatever is there. By looking at it, he got a doubt. Right. Earlier in the story, Joe, when Daniel touches his hand, she felt something very smooth. Okay, his hands were very soft and smooth. Earlier, it was not like this. But Joe at that moment convinced her that no, it's some kind of oil is there. That's why it looks soft. Okay, so now look at the things what is happening here. Joe comes to know that Daly is not going for teaching. Okay, he asked her. Okay, he pressurizes her. Okay, tell me truth. What is happening? Where you are going? She confesses that she couldn't get any pupil. Okay, ultimately, audience also get a new idea here. She didn't get any pupils. There are pupil means students. Okay, whom they are teaching. Clementina, as she told, it's not a true. She got a job ironing shirts at the big 24th Street laundry. Right. See, so she's not a teacher, she's not teaching music. Actually, she was ironing shirts. It's a big laundry, it's a 24th Street. There it's a big laundry, there she got a job. Okay, that's the truth. So she was actually crying. She was burned when another girl set an iron down on her hand. That is the truth. But she cannot reveal the truth to her husband because he loves her very much. Because she thinks that he must go to school and learn, but she has to earn. Then she told a lie because she couldn't get any students to teach piano. Okay, then the truth has come before Joe. Joe also admits that he has actually been firing the engine in that laundry for the last 2 weeks. Oh my god. Both of them, they were working in the same laundry. Okay, he was in underground. Okay, he was firing the engine. Okay, a machine. So to generate a heat for ironing the shorts. Okay, so he is there, he was firing the engine. That's a man's work. Okay, and what happened? So he learned that. So Joe was working the same laundry. Okay, then he was working there, and then he was mm, firing the engine. Okay, and when he heard somebody was made a mistake and somebody's hand burned. Okay, some shouted, so he sent a cotton and oil, okay, to soothe the burning sensation to the girl in the upstairs. He doesn't know who is that girl. Okay, it is his own wife, but at that moment he doesn't know who is she. There is some girl who burned her hand, and he sent a cotton and a oil, okay, to soothe the pain and also the burning sensation. The same cloth, now it is in the hands of, yes, Delia. He identified that cotton. He is the person who sent cotton waste, which is around Dahlia's own, and oil from the engine room this afternoon. He hasn't sold any of his art. Okay, ultimately look at him. So earlier, as he lied, ಸುಳ್ಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ವಾ, ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ಚು ಸೇಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, $18 ಹಣ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಮತ್ತು ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಸುಳ್ಳಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವನು ಕೂಡ ಅವನ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವನು ಹೇಗೆ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಅದನ್ನು? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫೈರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಂಜಿನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಂಡ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 weeks. ಗಂಡ ಒಂದು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಇಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಕೆಟ್ಟದಕ್ಕೇನು ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ದ ಲೈಟ್ ಟು ಒನ್ ಅನದರ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಡೇಲಿಯಾ ನಾವು ಸೇಸ್, ಈಗ ಹುಡುಗಿ ನಗ್ತಾ ನಗ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಲವ್ಸ್, ನೋ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಸೀಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹಾರ್ಡ್. It has to do with the love, not art. Okay, not art, the love is important. ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ, ಆ ಕಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕೋಟನ್ನು ಅವರು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ವೈಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದ text. Okay, I will send you the link for the textbook, okay, which means in the A Service of Love text. Read it, it's a very good short story, you could enjoy it. Okay, and here I end with the video. So but I will send you the comprehension questions also. Just go through the questions there and write answers to them. Okay, any doubts you can please call me. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.